All right, my friends, modify as needed and always use control, and let's do something extraordinary for our health and fitness and our bodies. Bring it down onto your backs for the Pilates 100 tabletop position, or extend the legs out, zipping the legs up, imprint the lower back, arms to the sides, pump the arms up and down 100 times, breathing in for 5, out for 5, in the nose, out the mouth. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 into single leg stretch. Left hand, left knee, right hand on the outside. 10 times. Inhale, exhale. 1. Stretch the legs. Imprint the lower back. And keep the knees a little bit soft. 4, 5, 6. Smooth, fluid movements. And 8, 9, 10. Double leg stretch, tabletop position 6 times. Inhale, extend the arms and legs out. Exhale, circle around, squeeze the abs. That's right. 1. In the nose, out the mouth. 2, 3. Flow it together. 4. Stretch it out and then squeeze. 5. One more time. Lengthen, pull in, and single straight leg stretch. Right leg up, left leg out. 10 times. Exhale, pull that right leg, lengthen legs. Inhale, switch. 2, 3, 4. Stabilize the core against the movement. The whole basis of Pilates. 3 more. Long, lean muscles into the crisscross. Bring that right knee in, left leg out, fingers to the back of the head, and we go twist. Twisting from here, not the elbows. Keep the elbows out here. Let's do 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very precise. 5. That's right. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands under the hips. 6 times. Head up or down. Double straight leg stretch. Flex the feet. Inhale, lower. Point. Pull up. Bend the knees to modify. Let's do 5 more. 1, 2, in the nose, out the mouth. 3, 4. How's that feel in your hamstrings? Isn't that marvelous? Ooh, shake out the legs, and let's come up to a seated position, flowing from one exercise to the next. We have the spine stretch. This ground is uneven. Woo! Wow, that was a nice little surprise. Heels to the edges of the mat. Draw the toes towards you. Arms forward. Exhale, hinge forward. Press the backs of the knees down. Squeeze the breath from the lungs. Tuck the chin. You can always bend the knees or lift a little higher. Now inhale, rise back up, but stack your spine. I'm doing this in my hand. That's an instructor thing. Stack your spine all the way up, shoulders back and down. All right, 5 more. Here we go. Exhale through the mouth. Squeeze out the breath. Inhale, rise up. Take the arms up over the head if you like. Really stretch it out. And hinge forward. Belly button to the spine. Up, 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 up. And reach. Oh, the backs of your legs are celebrating right now. It's like the end of Return of the Jedi. Everyone's dancing and clapping. Coming back to life. And inhale, stack, stack, stack. Stack, stack, stack. Shoulders down. One more time. Hinge. Take an extra breath here. Draw the toes towards you. Stretch the backs of the legs right into the saw. Arms out. 10 times we twist. Pinky finger, pinky toe. Hinge forward. Look to your back arm. Inhale, lift. There's 1. Twist. Hinge. 2. Smooth. Nothing else exists right now. Nothing else matters but doing our Pilates workout together for optimal strength, flexibility, endurance, control, mobility, and fun. Twist and hinge. Love our saws. And twist. Great for rotational strength and flexibility. One more time. All right, bring it up. Shake out the arms and the legs. The rollover. Leave this one out if it's a little too intense, but we're putting it in there because it is a powerhouse. We're gonna do 5. Hands can be on the hips or arms to the sides. Extend the legs out diagonal. Now squeeze those abs. Exhale, peel the spine up and over as far as you can comfortably go, and then lengthen those legs. On the next exhale, slowly lower down, massaging the spine. The first one's always a little wonky. Let's smooth it out. Exhale. Flex the feet. Inhale. Exhale, roll down. 3 more. I'm ironing out mine as well. Flex and lower. All right, 2 more. All comes from the core. The abdominals, lower back, hips, and glutes. Work your way up to this one more time. Oh, we'll feel this one for a little while. And bring it down. Good. Shake out the arms and legs. Let's come up seated position. And I believe we have boat and then boat with a twist. So feet flat. Take the arms here or arms out. You can start here. We're twisting. Notice the posture. Shoulders back and down. Wait, my arms are back. Here we go. And I'm sitting tall. Chin is slightly tucked. Twisting, twisting, twisting. If you want more, come to half boat and twist. Ooh. Stabilizing that center. You could even extend the legs when you come to the side, then back to the center. Let's do 4 more slowly. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, legs down, reach forward, grab the toes, feet or ankles, little shimmy with the legs, little walk. One of my mottos is keep it loose, keep your body loose, keep it firing on all cylinders, preparing your body to adapt to any situation that comes along. And that includes this cap switch right here. Pulling the straps, lower down onto your stomachs. We're gonna do 10, arms to the sides, legs together. Reach the arms all the way forward, open the leg. Exhale, pull back. 1. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, lift. 2. 3, add resistance to it. 4. Great for shoulder mobility. 5. 6. Feel that curve popping up in your lower back. 8. 9. Once more. Pull back, hold for an extra breath, lift. And then arms forward for a swim. 20 times, opposite arm, opposite leg. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lots of energy being infused into our bodies. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Lift it up. Superman. 5 breaths. Strong back. Long, lean muscles. 1 more breath. Stretch, 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 stretch. Okay, moving right into the big finisher. Pilates push-ups. Come to the back edge of your mat. We're gonna do 5. You're always welcome to do more. Shoulders back and down. Soften the knees. Diving down. Walk the hands out. Hands are on the shoulders. 1 to 3 push-ups. Elbows in. 1, 2, 3. Or just hold the plank. Walk back. Sink the heels down. Rising up. Stack that spine. Whew. All right. We're going to 2. 2 out of 5. The mat kind of gets away with me here. One of those independent mats. Forgive me for that. Sometimes Pilates brings things out of us. 1, 2, 3. Plus, it's kind of early in the morning here. I'm really making an adjustment in 2023 to get up earlier, come out and film, or go to the gym and work out. All right, walk it back, rising up. One more time. You got it, my friends. A big infusion of strength, flexibility, energy, anytime during the day with your Pilates mat, with Coach Vigue, of course. Build it up, build it up. Shoulders back. Excellent work, my friends. You made it. If this video helped, please click that like button and that subscribe button and that notification bell up there. Give it a ding. Click it so you never miss one of my workouts. It's Coach Vigue. Share this workout with friends, family, and as always, Coach Vigue will see you around. Well, hello again, my friend. I want to thank you for training with me today by offering you a free, exclusive 30-minute yoga video from the Sean Vigue Fitness app. All you need to do to get this workout is to click the first link in the comment section below, and boom, that workout is all yours. Go get it right now.